Hey guys, I'm Jada Kelly and we have a cardio workout for you today. You don't need anything except for your body, and today we're gonna take some basic moves and then kick them up, change them up a little bit to make this spicy and interesting. So, are you ready? I am ready. Let's go ahead and start this warm up. Go ahead, rotate all the way up to one side and then all the way down to the other. So today we got 10 moves for you. We're going about 45 seconds work, 15 seconds transition. And your goal is to start strong and end strong today, okay? That's what we're going for. Couple more. Great, center, roll the shoulders back. So good. Make it a little bigger. And forward. Great job. All right, reach all the way up to the other side, twist, and then down. Make sure you're being aware of your core. Pull your belly button in towards your spine. You know, we can work our core all the time. Doesn't just have to be when we're doing planks or crunches or things that are just specific to that area. You can be aware and make that mind-muscle connection with every movement you do. 3, 2, 1, awesome. Take it to a jog. Just gonna keep it light. Give me a couple arm flies. Good. All right, go ahead and give me some butt kickers. Move those arms back. Bring them up a little bit higher in front of you. Pull back as you pull your heel to your butt. Great. Give me 3, 2, and last set. Awesome. Bring the knee up, twist over the front knee. Good. Keep your back nice and tall. Couple more. Last set. Awesome. And then we're just gonna reach overhead, alternate. Get a nice deep lean, pull it back. Good. Couple more. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go ahead and start our first move. It's one of our basics. We're gonna do jumping jacks right here. Let's go. So you have a choice. You can do high impact jacks like what I'm doing now, or you can tap it out. You do whatever you can, whatever your best is today, that's what you're bringing out. Come on. Remember, this workout is supposed to raise your heart rate, challenge you cardiovascularly. 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1. March through the transition. Awesome. Next move, scissor shuffle with the knee. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, knee. Ready? 5 seconds. Keep that march. 3, 2, 1, scissor shuffle. 1, 2, 3, knee. Get those arms moving. So this is our kick it up cardio, something a little different. Now, if you're like, Jada, I need a little bit less bouncing, then it's just march knee up. That's what your move is. Yes, or you can go back to the bounce. Yes. Strong arms. Ten seconds. You got it. Nice, march it out. Transition, we're going into skaters. So you're gonna leap to one side, leap to the other. If you're not jumping, then you just walk it through. If you are jumping, add that bounce. Ready? In 3, 2, let's go. When you land, bend that knee and then push off. Get that explosive jump off the floor. Woo! If you're just walking through, if you can stay low, you're gonna keep that burn. You're gonna really feel that leg starting to do that work for you. Come on. Yes, guys. 8 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Transition march. I'm going to show you the next move. Alternating forward lunge, clap under. This is our cardio. Kick it up. Down, up, switch. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Lunge up, clap under. Woo! Now, if you need to not jump, then you can just take it, lunge down, stand down again, switch. So if you don't want to add that clap under, or it's too much, that's okay. Just hold that lunge and then switch leads. So good. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, march it out. All right, next move. I'm gonna leap to one side, run it back. Looks like this. Leap, run it back. Ready? This is our kick up. 3, 2, go. Leap, run. Land soft. Now, even if you want to, you can make it a lateral hop. Both feet, run back. It's up to you. Yes, come on. "15 seconds. You're almost there. 5, come on, 3, 2, 1, march it out, transition. Going into a 3-step. Are you ready? I'm ready. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Get ready. In 3, 2, go. If you've done one of my workouts before, you've probably seen this move. Why? Because I love it. It's one of my favorites to throw in there. You know, it's an easy one to just sprinkle in. Come on. You got it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out. Awesome job. All right, we're gonna leap to the other side, run back. So I'm gonna go to this side of my space, moving that way, running back. Ready? In 5, 4, keep that march through that transition. 2, 1, leap, run it back. Remember, if you want to, you can do that 2-foot hop, but that's optional. Both get your heart rate up. Both are challenging. I want you to give your best and you do what you can. Come on, keep that intensity. You got it. 13 seconds. Three, 2, 1, march it out. Great job. All right, we're doing a kick it up cardio move. You ready? We're doing 2 lateral jacks. So your arms are gonna move out and in. and you're gonna jack twice to one side, twice to the other. Ready? Let's go. And 2. 1, 2. Good. Now if you're not jumping, you can always step through it. If you want to add a little bit, add a knee up. Come on. You got this, guys. We got about 2 more moves after this. So we're in the home stretch. Three, 2, 1, march it out. So good. All right, guys, next move, we're going 2 different directions. So you can either jump out, hop center, jump out wide, hop center, or if you're not jumping, you walk it down low, switch. Walk it down low, switch. All right, here we go. Come on, 45 seconds. You got this. Remember, modification. You decide what you're gonna do. They both burn. 10 seconds left. Three, 2, 1, march it out. We got 1 more move. Yes. All right. So it's 4 knee runs, 4 butt kickers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Let's try it. Up and back. Good. Let's do it. We're finishing strong today. Knees up. Maybe you need to march it. That's fine. Just get 4 knees, 4 butt kickers. You take it. Come on. And rest. So good, you guys. You are so amazing. Just march it out, because we got to bring that heart rate down. Woo! Put my hands up because I feel like a champion. Yes, I do. And you should too. All right, take a deep breath right here. Inhale, exhale. One more, inhale and exhale. Quick cool down. I'm really just focusing on bringing that heart rate down. And then we'll do a little stretch for our calves. Since there was so much jumping. One more. And exhale. So we brought our heart rate down, we did our breathing. Now, 1 foot forward, the other one back. Lean into that front leg, press the back heel toward the ground. So you feel that calf stretch. It's that back lower part of your leg. So as you lean forward and then push your heel into the floor, you feel that stretch even more. Good, go ahead and switch sides. Just keep breathing. Awesome. Center. Inhale. Bring your hands down. 1 on your chest, 1 on your belly, and we're just gonna belly breathe. I wanna bring that heart rate all the way down. And as you breathe, I just want you to visualize your body relaxing. Visualize your muscles just melting, and I want you to think about how you're just appreciating your body right now through this movement. Last inhale. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Jada Kelly, and I'll see you at the next workout.